So it says that r is telling us that the radius is equal to the square root of the area over pi. Then it gives us 3 different possible values for area. So that means that I'm going to plug in those values into my symbol here. So I'm going to say 80 in for my a over pi. Okay, and take the square root. We're taking the square root of that. Okay, and then there's a couple ways that I can do this too. But right now, so I know that if I take the square root of 8, I can take the square root of 80 over the square root of pi. Okay, and let's see, we're going to have to simplify that. Let me get I need a different calculator than what I have on here. All right. So we need to simplify, and let's see what factors, perfect square factors, are divisible by 80. I know 4 is. I know 4 will go into 80, but there's a higher one because 20 will go, that will give me 4 and 20, and 4 will go into 20. So let's try 80 divided by 16. Yes. So I know that this will be, I can say, the square root of 16 times 5 over the square root of pi. Okay. Now, this says to use pi as needed, so it wants me to keep pi. There's no perfect square that will go into pi, so we're going to need to rationalize the denominator. So now this is going to become 4 square root of 5 over square root of pi. Oops. Now I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by pi. And then that will give me 4 square root of 5 pi over pi. Now let's see if that's the right answer. That's the area is equal to, or no, the radius. So let's see if we have the right answer here. Whoops. I need a fraction, and we have 5 pi, and then pi. Let's see if that's our answer. Yes, that is our answer. All right, and then we're going to do, now we want the decimal expression. So the decimal expression is going to be that now, and it wants us to round to the nearest hundredths. So the nearest hundredths place, that's the second space. So let's see. Put that in my calculator. I'm using a calculator called Wolfram Alpha. You do have to pay for it, so you won't be able to. You can use the free version of Wolfram Alpha online, and you don't have to pay for it. Let's see, and I'm looking for my square root. It's on my phone, so. Where's my square root button? Square, I'm just going to type in square root. And 5. Pi. Oh, now I find it. Oh, well. And we're going to divide that by pi. That's going to be 5 point, near 100, so 5.05. Yep. And then we're going to do the same thing with part B. Again, part B, we're going to do just like what we did before. Oops, wrong one. I don't know what happened to my image. All right. again. All right, so just like we did before, we're going to say 44 over pi, the square root of, and r is equal to. So then we're going to take the square root of 44 over the square root of pi, and then we can simplify the square root of 44. There's some perfect squares, I know. 4 will go into it. 4 times 11 times pi, so then over the square root of pi. So that'll give me 2 square root of 11 over square root of pi, which will give me 2 square root of 11 pi over pi. All right, I'll let you work on that from the rest of there and moving on, and that should help you out. All right, see you later.